In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets. If you already have project data stored in spreadsheets and want to move everything into Asana quickly, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a simple and organized way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transfer project information using CSV files and manage that data inside both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your web browser and head to the Asana website. Once the page loads, sign into your account to access your workspace. If you're brand new to Asana, you can create an account first and then return to continue with the setup process. After logging in, navigate to the project you want to work with inside Asana. This is where all your tasks, deadlines, and collaboration details are organized. In the upper right corner of the project screen, look for the More Options menu. Click on it to reveal additional project settings and management tools. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option and then choose CSV. This will save your project data as a CSV file onto your computer. CSV files are widely supported and make it easy to move project information between different spreadsheet applications and productivity tools. Once the file has been saved, open Google Sheets in your browser if you want to work with the data there. Inside Google Sheets, click File, then choose Import from the menu. You'll be prompted to upload a file, so select the CSV file you saved from Asana. After choosing the file, select the option to insert the data into a new sheet. This helps keep your imported information organized and separated from existing spreadsheets. Click Import Data, and within a few moments, your Asana project details will appear inside Google Sheets in a clean and structured format. If you prefer using Microsoft Excel instead, the process is very similar. Open Excel on your computer, then click File, followed by Open. Browse to the location where the CSV file was saved and select it. Excel will automatically load the file and display your project information in spreadsheet form. Working with your Asana data in Excel or Google Sheets can be extremely useful for reporting, organizing information, or reviewing project details in a more customizable format. It also gives you added flexibility when collaborating with team members who prefer working in spreadsheet tools. And that's all there is to it. By exporting your project as a CSV file and opening it in either Google Sheets or Excel, you can easily manage, review, and organize your Asana data in the format that works best for you. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.